this video, we will see how to connect live chat to your WordPress site. If this is your first time viewing my video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. In your WordPress site, search for TDO Chat plugin, install and activate it. Next, we need to sign up on TDO Chat site. So, click which will take us to TDO Chat site. Here, enter name and an avatar image for the chat along with the color for the chat box on your site. You can select your preferred language like French, German or Italian, English or Chinese and continue. Next, fill in the other account information like a website, email, country, industry, along with accepting terms and conditions for using TDO Chat to continue. Next, select one of the methods to greet when web visitors chat for the first time on your site and continue. Here, you can edit and write your custom greeting message and continue. We are all set. Finally, enter password for TDO Chat site. You can set online and offline hours for live chat on the site here. You can set sound alert here for web visitors and chat messages. Enable email notification when a user messages on chat box whenever you are unavailable. Enable offline hours. Your chat widget will go offline between those timings, like from Sunday 11 p.m. to Monday 8 a.m. You can set more than one rule and change and delete the time rule. Finally, select your time zone and you're done. Setting up a live chat widget on the site. Let's test the live chat widget. See, when anyone sends a live message, if you are online, click a visitor icon and you can chat with them from TDO dashboard here. If they are offline, you can send a chat message or an email message if they have shared their email in chat widgets. Visitors on your site can chat live to know more information right on the site live, like social media managers or any other staff managing the WordPress website. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Like, comment and share the video if you found it helpful. Thank you.